Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. If you are looking for the ultimate dream home, well, this is it. We have for you here a beautiful 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom house located on Benson's Avenue, Kingston. Just 1 minute drive or 7 minutes walk from Norbrook. This house is approximately 8,600 square feet and the land area is 22,317 square feet. This tastefully laid out home comes fitted with a gourmet kitchen with top of the line stainless kitchen appliances. There is a powder room, large patio overlooking the swimming pool. There's a formal living room, two studies, library, spacious air-conditioned gym, standby generator, porcelain tiling, housekeeper's quarters, laundry room, and double-covered garage. This property is also fitted with security cameras all around. It has guard room, well fruited, and it boasts ample visitors parking. The current price of this house is US 1.7 million. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful home. And please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.